Imagine you are sitting in a car whose brakes have completely failed, and that car is rushing toward an unknown, dark destination at a staggering speed of 2.2 million kilometers per hour. You couldn't step on the brakes even if you wanted to. And the scariest part, you have absolutely no idea what lies at the end of the road. Well, I am not talking about our solar system. I am talking about our entire Milky Way galaxy. We are not alone. We, along with our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, and alongside them, trillions of stars and planets. Are all being dragged through space toward one specific direction. It is as if someone turned on a massive, incredibly powerful cosmic vacuum cleaner in deep space. In the scientific community, this mysterious force is known as the Great Attractor. The question is, what exactly is this Great Attractor? Is it some sort of supermassive black hole? Or is it a cosmic entity that is completely impossible for us to see? Until about 50 years ago, we were left entirely in the dark about it. Today, let's unveil this mystery. This story begins in the 1970s. Astronomers were drafting a comprehensive map of the universe. They noticed that galaxies were not moving in random directions. Due to cosmic expansion, galaxies were supposed to be moving away from one another, right? But something strange was happening here. Our entire cosmic neighborhood was being attracted toward one specific point. In the 1980s, scientists tried to locate that exact point, and what they saw, rather, what they could not see, left everyone completely astonished. When scientists tried to look in that exact direction, there was a massive obstacle blocking their path. And that obstacle was none other than the galactic center of our own Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy contains so many trillions of stars. Gas and cosmic dust that they form a giant wall in front of us. Looking past this wall is completely impossible for normal telescopes. Astronomers call this blocked region the zone of avoidance. The zone of avoidance, the area of space that is hidden from our view due to the dust and stars of our own galaxy. It blocks roughly 20% of our night sky. Talk about a stroke of bad luck, right? The greatest mystery of the universe was hiding exactly where our eyes could not see. It was like trying to look through a thick fog. But humans are not the type to give up easily. Since visible light was being blocked, scientists searched for alternative methods. They utilized X-ray and infrared telescopes. These are specialized telescopes that can peer right through cosmic dust. And when they peeked behind the zone of avoidance, they did not find just a single object waiting for them. Hiding there was a cosmic monster, the Cluster. The Cluster is a cluster of galaxies packed incredibly close to one another. Its mass is so immense that you can barely even comprehend it. But wait, there's a twist in the story. When scientists calculated the total mass of the Cluster, they discovered it wasn't nearly large enough to pull the entire Milky Way and thousands of its surrounding galaxies toward itself. The Cluster was merely a small piece of the puzzle. The real Great Attractor was far more terrifying and massive than that. After years of research, astronomers made a discovery in 2014 that completely transformed our perspective on the universe. They mapped our entire cosmic home and named it the Laniakea. In the Hawaiian language, Laniakea translates to immeasurable heaven. These lines you see on the screen are not threads. They represent the paths or flow lines of hundreds of thousands of galaxies moving together. Laniakea is a massive catchment area, just like a valley where all the water flows down a slope. And sitting perfectly at the center of this Laniakea Supercluster is our real Great Attractor. But the story doesn't end here. Even further behind the Great Attractor sits the ultimate landlord, which we call the Shapley Supercluster. The Shapley Supercluster is one of the most massive structures in the entire known universe. So in reality, the Great Attractor is a gravitational well into way. Thousands of galaxies are falling together. Now, let's address the question that will either bring peace to your racing heart or terrify you even more. Will we crash into this Great Attractor? Will everything come to an end? Listen, there is no need to fear. We are certainly moving in that direction, but we will never actually arrive there. Why? The answer is dark energy. There is a massive cosmic tug-of-war taking place in the universe. On one side, we have gravity, which pulls everything closer together just like the Great Attractor. On the other side, we have dark energy, which is expanding the universe at a blistering pace. The speed of dark energy is so immense that it stretches space with every passing moment. This means that as fast as we are rushing toward the Great Attractor itself is moving away from us due to cosmic expansion. We are running in a race where the finish line shifts forward every single second. So the conclusion is that the Great Attractor is not a black hole, nor is it a structure built by aliens. It is a point in the universe's cosmic web where gravity completely rules. It serves as a reminder of our true scale that in this infinite universe, our Milky Way is smaller than a single speck of dust. What do you see? Are there other hidden forces like this lurking in deep space? Be sure to let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video, and until then, keep exploring.